Yes, you can definitely increase your credit score fast. I tell people all the time that you can definitely increase your credit score fast. And I've seen people seeing I've seen people have their credit score increase 100 and some points in a month, like literally. And it's just making sure that you guys do the different things it take to get a credit score increase. So definitely you can increase your credit score fast. It does not have to be like a 10-year process. It does not have to be that. Now, how much your credit score is going to increase is going to be different for everybody, and what it's going to take for you guys to see a credit score increase is going to be different for everybody. But you can definitely increase your credit score fast. That's the biggest thing. I always tell people, hey, join my 60 points in 60 days, because 60 points in 60 days is a lot. That means you can go from 500s to 600s. You more than halfway there to go from 600s to 700s. Like it, you can increase your credit score very fast. And when I say 60 points in 60 days, that can be bare minimum to you guys. Like look at my 60 points in 60 days banner here. Um, let me show it to you. That's 113 points. Now they're at 602. Where were they at before? They were in the 400s. And don't forget, them are Credit Karma kind of results right there. So when you see an increase like that, you have to remember that that happened at one time. It didn't, they don't add them up. That's just at one time that was an increase. So your credit score can definitely increase fast. You just have to do the different things that's going to actually